golden mile down to the truck. Goodness gracious. Be gassed out before you get to work every morning out here. In West Virginia, you gotta climb the mountain just to get to the plant. Yep. Oh, can't even see it. Said we can fish this pond, just showed us some bass out of it. Recommended you don't eat them. Plant's 3 miles back that way. Just a little hike. Sheesh. Be sitting on that an hour early tomorrow. Huh?
We're 1,200 feet above sea level. In the mountains.
Come on.